I want to leave you with a song. This is a song that we recorded, 20 odd years ago. It's on the Bottle Tree Lane album. It's all about catching the glory-bound train. So here we go. All aboard! Count me in, I'm ready. I know this train is heading to a better place, way up in the sky. All aboard for glory, hallelujah, home on high. Lost alone and looking for the answer I was too afraid to find. Leave it all for later was the way I traveled down this railway line. I saw a light at the end of the tunnel, made me change my mind. Took the invitation not to miss the destination. I won't be left behind. Count me in, I'm ready. I know this train is heading to a better place, way up in the sky. All aboard for glory, hallelujah, home on high. Oh! Down the mountain, through the shady valley, across the river deep and wide. When the worries of this world are over, I'll be on the other side. I caught sight of that city in the distance, shining brighter than the sun. So don't wait any longer for the land they call yonder. There's room for everyone. Count me in, I'm ready. I know this train is heading to a better place, way up in the sky. All aboard for glory, hallelujah, home on high. There's not a lot of time, my friend, if you listen. Can you hear the whistle blow? Believing buys your ticket, so stick with it till the end. Final call, we're all set to go. Count me in, I'm ready. I know this train is heading to a better place, way up in the sky. All aboard for glory, hallelujah, home on high. Yeah, count me in, I'm ready. I know this train is heading to a better place, way up in the sky. All aboard for glory, hallelujah, home on high. All aboard for glory, hallelujah, home on Thanks so much, everyone. Thanks very much.